Today on our 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD, we're going to be taking a look at and installing the CURT Front Mount Trailer Hitch Receiver, part number C31071. Here's what this front hitch is going to look like once it's installed on the truck. As you can see, it tucks up nicely to the underside of this front fascia down here. You're going to have really easy access in order to use your hitch with any accessories that you may have. It features the 2" by 2" receiver tube opening with nice welded on reinforcement collar. Features the 5/8" hitch pinhole in order to secure any class 3 accessories. This front hitch is a nice, easy bolt-on application. There's no drilling or welding required. Some of our customers have asked about whether or not you'll need to trim the front fascia, and with this particular hitch, you will not need to. This front hitch will also help you avoid having to blindly back a trailer in. It features a 500-pound vertical limit, and it features a 5,000-pound gross trailer weight rating. And when used with a winch, it features a 9,000-pound vertical line pull. I really like how well hidden this hitch is underneath the front fascia. Now, let's give you some measurements to help assist you with your selection of hitch-mounted accessories, such as cargo carriers, winches, or snow plows. The distance from the center of the hitch pinhole to the outermost part of the front bumper is about 7.5 inches, and the distance from the top inside edge of the receiver tube opening to the ground is about 10 inches. Now, let's show you how to install this front hitch. So to begin our install, we'll start by removing this bolt using an 18mm socket. Then we've got this bolt here that goes through the frame to hold our tow hook in place. We're just going to loosen it because you may need a little bit of extra slack in this tow hook to be able to move when you're installing the front hitch. So we're just going to loosen that up. Now it gives us just enough that our tow hook can pivot. So we'll go to the other side and do that same thing. This hole right above our sway bar on the frame is going to be our mounting location. And then this larger hole here is going to be our access hole in order to get our hardware into the frame and pull it through our mounting location. So we'll use our fish wire, take the coiled end, feed it into our mounting location hole, and feed it through so that it comes out through our access point. Then we can take one of our square hold spacers, put it onto our fish wire, then we'll thread in one of the 1/2" carriage bolts. Then we'll take the spacer block, feed it into the frame first, followed by the carriage bolt. And we'll pull those into location. And then because the hitch will slide up on the outside of the frame rail, we'll just let that fall right back inside so we can feed this through our hitch and get our hitch up into location. So then we'll do that same thing for the other side. Now it's a good idea to grab an extra set of hands to raise your hitch up into place. You need to take the fish wire and feed it out through the hole in the hitch. Get it up into location. Then you'll need to pull your bolt through. Once you've got the bolt pulled through on each side, you can take the fish wire off and put on the 1/2" flange nut, just finger tight. We'll do that on both sides. Then for our other mounting location on the bottom side of the frame, we'll push our hitch up into place and then use the factory bolts that we took out from the bottom side of the tow hook to put it up into place. And then you'll want to get it in a few threads. Now we'll begin to tighten up all of our attachment points. And it's a good idea to make sure that the hitch is pushed all the way up so that you're going to have maximum clearance. Then we'll use a 3/4" inch socket to tighten up our flange nuts on our carriage bolts. Then we'll tighten up that bolt that goes through the frame for the tow hook. Now we'll need to be sure and go back and torque down all the fasteners for the hitch and tow hook to the specification listed in the instructions. That's going to complete our look at and installation of the CURT Front Mount Trailer Hitch Receiver, part number C31071, on our 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD.
Click the link below to shop, learn more, or visit us at etrailer.com.